Hello people, welcome to my screen. On my last video I talked about AUD chef, that AUD chef wants to move to the upside, but it seems that AUD chef is not ready to move. It's still playing around. Now let's revisit let's talk about AUD chef again. Now let's go to the higher time frame. We are already on the weekly time frame. Now let's analyze again on AUD shelf. Now on AUD shelf, we can see that AUD shelf is on a bearish downtrend, creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs. AUD shelf has pushed down to this key level of support, could not break lower. It pushed up again, came back here, formed a trend reversal right here, pushed down to attempt this key level of support again, but could not still break lower. Now, as you can see, AUD shelf has series of attempts on this key level of support here. But whenever it comes to that key level of support, that key level of support reject that price to the upside. Look at it. We have the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt. It was pushed to the key level of resistance. That resistance rejected that price to the downside, and it attempted again for the third time. We have the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 attempts on this key level of support, could not still break lower. This is telling us that that key support, it is strong for that price to break below. Now we pop out the trend line. We have the first touch of the trend line. That trend line rejected that price. Second touch, it was also rejected. Third touch, it was also rejected. And upon the fourth touch, price breakthrough, it came back here. It moved to a key level of resistance. That resistance rejected that price to the downside again. Form a trend reversal and push down to test this outer part of this trend line. When price test this outer part of this trend line, we expect price to keep bouncing up to the upside, but instead price was moving sideways, coming to attempt this key support again, but could not still break lower. Now, as you can see right now, AUD shelf wants to blow to the upside, but is just struggling around the side here. As you can see, we have clusters of candlestick here. It's just struggling here. It's just struggling. The buyers are making attempt to push the price to the upside, but the sellers are rejecting that price. Now, even on the weekly time frame, we can see a shooting star candle form right here. The week has not closed yet. The market week has not closed yet. So we cannot decide that it is a well closed candlestick of shooting star, because before the week end, this can still push to the upside. But now we have to but now with what we have seen now, this is a shooting star. So let's go to the daily time frame to see in details of what is happening on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that AUD shelf is struggling to break to the upside, and even on the weekly time frame we have a sideways movement too. Price has been consolidating. This was a push to the downside. This level rejected it again, attempted, came back again, attempted, could not still break lower. It pushed up again, attempted this level again, could not still break lower, and upon this place, the price formed a trend reversal to come to attempt this key level of support, could not still break lower. This key level of support, it is strong for price to break through. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that price is currently consolidating. We have a trend line that was drawn across the trend, that this is a counter trend line for a push to the upside. But we have the first touch of the trend line, second touch, third touch. Upon the third touch, price break through, but while price was going to the upside, it encountered a minor level of Let me take this one out. It encountered a minor level of resistance here, and this resistance is pushing the price down. On my last video that I talked about AUD share, I said that we need to see a daily candle break and close right here, and close outside this yellow bar right here. But on that day, price pushed to the upside, but was unable to close with a full body outside this yellow bar right here. Instead, what happened? The sellers pushed the price down again. They pushed the price down, and ever since, AUD share has been struggling to break through. We need to see a clear daily candle break and close here properly before we can start looking for opportunity. If a daily candle can break and close here, give us a confirmation candle like a bullish engulfing candle or a morning star, definitely we should see AUD share coming to this yellow bar right here. From there, it will burst out. Now, we have seen what we need to see on the daily time frame, that we have a counter trend line that was drawn right here. We have this was the first attempt. It was rejected. Second attempt right here, it was also rejected. And upon the third attempt, we have a bullish engulfing daily candle break out of that counter trend line and attempt to break this yellow bar, but could not see break higher. So AUD share was moving sideways. So now we have seen it. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see in details of what is happening. Let's scale down from one time frame to another. Now on the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we cannot see this. Yes, on the daily time frame, we cannot see this. We cannot see this. That is why we come to the 4-hour time frame to see in details of what is really happening. Why is the candle? Why is price struggling to break through this yellow bar right here? So now, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, let me zoom out properly. Good. Now, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is currently consolidating in between this side right here. Below is currently trading below this yellow bar right here. But we need to see a daily, we need to see price a candle break and close right here. On my last video, I said we need to see daily candle break and close here. If a daily candle can break and close here, by then the 4-hour candle will also break and close here by then. But on that day, price was acting as if it has blown out already, and before that market closed that day, it pushed to the downside. Now, as you can see right here, we need to see candle break and close right here. And as you can see, look at it. On that day, price acted as if it wants to break and 4-hour candle break this yellow bar right here, but could not close with a full body. And the seller pushed the price down, and they pushed the price down right here to this minor level of support right here, and ever since, price has been struggling to break through. We have the first touch rejection, second rejection, third rejection, and upon the fourth rejection, price managed to break out, but could not still push higher. So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame to see in details of what is really happening. On the 1-hour time frame, you will see clearly. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we can see now. Now I look at the candlestick right now. Now on the 1-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame has given us more details. On the 4-hour time frame, we cannot see candlesticks much like this. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we saw it push to the upside right here. It was rejected to this side, and price is currently trading right here. It came here, it attempted this minor level of support, could not break higher. Price push up, it came down again, could not see break lower. It push up again, like that. It still pushed to the downside again, and we have the first touch, second touch rejected, third touch it was rejected, and price push up again to attempt this minor level of support, but could not see break lower. And Since then, price has been moving sideways. What we are seeing right now is telling us that AUD share is still going to move to the upside, but it's still not ready. It's still not ready. AUD share lack volatility. The market movers are not available in this market right now. Once they are available, AUD share is going to blow to the upside. This is a range right here, moving sideways. If you can see a clear range breakout, AUD share is coming right here. A range cannot break out and still enter the range again. If we can see, if this range can be taken out properly, if you can see a 4-hour candle break and close outside this range, close properly, we wait for confirmation to go long. This is the next level target. This yellow bar right here is the next level target for AUD share. If the breakout is completed, we should see AUD share coming right here. When it gets here, it break this yellow bar too. This yellow bar is a minor level. It is not a major level, it is minor level. When if you can see daily a candle break and close here, AUD share is blowing to the upside. AUD share is coming right here. So we have seen what we need to see, that AUD share is still not ready to move. When it's ready, it's going to knock on our door. I am ready to move. Let's go. So let's talk about Euro share. I have analyzed Euro share. I have called Euro share to the upside, but Euro share is still not ready. So let's go to the weekly time frame for proper direction. Now on Euro share, we can see that Euro share is on a downtrend, and at the same time it is pointing to the upside. We have the first attempt of the trend line. We have this is the main trend line right here. This is the main trend line. The first touch, second touch, and upon the third touch, price has not got there. So we have nothing to do with the main with the outer trend line first. So let's work with the inner ones. Now with the inner one, so now we have a push to this key level of support right here, but price is unable to break below it. And why price is struggling to break below it, it has formed a trend reversal. This is a trend reversal. You have a push to the downside. It came shy of this key level of support, could not come to this place. It pushed up, came again to attempt it, could not break lower. It pushed up again to this key level of resistance. That trend line, the resistance rejected, the trend line also rejected, and it pushed the price to the downside. And price was pushed to the downside to attempt this key level of support again, but could not break lower. Now, as you can see right here on the weekly time frame, we have a sideways candlestick movement. Price is not trending, it is moving sideways. So let's go to the weekly and to the daily time frame to see in details, to look for the immediate trend that might be forming. Now on the daily time frame, we can now see clearly that Euro share is currently moving sideways. Currently moving sideways. As you can see, we have a sideways movement right here. And the price acted. Okay, it came here, attempt this place, bounce off, give us a trend reversal here, double bottom, push up, break this counter trend line. This is the inner trend line. We have the first touch, it was rejected. Price pushed to the downside, came back to attempt it again, it was also rejected, and it was pushed down to this key level of support. And while it bounced off again, it entered the range. Lower lows. It entered the range and it started to move sideways, and it break out this yellow bar right here to attempt this place again, but could not see break lower. Form a trend reversal. This is a double bottom right here. This is a low. Attempt again, could not break. It push up. It break out of the trend line to come to test this outer trend line right here. the outer part of the trend line, it tested it and it bounced off immediately. While it was going up, this minor level of resistance is getting that price to the upside. The decision factor, the deciding factor for euro chef to blow up and to blow to the upside is to see this yellow bar cleared right here. Whatever euro chef wants to do, let it do it. We need to see daily candle. We need to see a daily candle break and close right here. If you can see a daily candle break and close right here, we wait for confirmation, proper confirmation, like the bullish engulfing candle, significant pin bar. So to go long on euro chef, we need to see euro chef break and close right here on the daily candle. We need to see a daily candle body, like the 90% of the daily candle body break and close right here. I am favoring the upside on euro chef because euro chef is on the downtrend on the weekly time frame. On the higher time frame, it has attained a key level of support multiple times, could not break lower, While it was attempting it, it formed a trend reversal. Pushing to the upside. We have drawn out the trend line. We have the first attempt, the first touch of the trend line. It was rejected. Second touch of the trend line, it was rejected right here. This is the second touch of the trend line, it was rejected and it was pushed to the downside. Price came again. Price played around, attempted again. It was still not. It was still rejected and it pushed to the downside. Now we draw the. Now we now draw the. The small trend line again within the trend to see this trend line is this trend line. We have the first rejection, second rejection, and upon the third rejection it was rejected, and for the fourth time it was price managed to blow out. When it blew out, it came to test this outer part of this trend line and it pushed to the upside. While it was going, it encountered an obstacle. Let me just use that, an obstacle of resistance. That resistance was resisting the price to the downside. But we need to see a price. We need to see candle break and close here properly before going long. When price break here properly, so next level target is coming right here. This is the next level target. This is the next level target right here. Second level, okay. This is first level target. Second level target is here. And the third level target is this key level of resistance right here. Before price will get here, it is not going to just go like that. It's a battle. It will be moving somehow until it gets there, but it's going to be a battle. It's going to price is coming to this trend line to attempt it again. If price gets here and this trend line was able to break out, it's coming right here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see properly again. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we see in details of what is happening on the daily time frame. So 4-hour time frame, 4-hour candle, 4-hour candle time frame. I mean 4-hour time frame. Price is currently consolidating and is pushing to the upside. This is a range. There's nothing we can do right here. There's nothing we can do right here. We just have to wait for this yellow bar to be cleared. Once it's cleared, we look for opportunity to go long. So that is that on euro chef. If you found this video interesting, smash the subscribe button right there, comment and share this video for other people to watch and benefit from. See you guys in the next video.